Your projects are bleeding money. Billions are lost each year to disputes, delays, and mismanaged data. This is the cost of chaos. But what if you could transform it into absolute clarity? Meet Shelley Armato, CEO of MySmartPlans and a nationally recognized leader in construction transparency. With over 25 years of industry experience, Shelley has pioneered the solutions that turn overwhelming project data into clear, actionable insights. In her powerful session, From Chaos to Clarity, Shelley reveals how a transparency-first approach reduces litigation risks, accelerates timelines, and builds a living ecosystem of accountability. This isn't just about storing documents, it's about future-proofing your entire organization. Stop managing chaos, start building with clarity. Bring the vision and strategy of Shelley Armato to your next event. Book her today.